Welcome back to BuiltMikesWay. Today we're going to be getting in those Willwood brakes. What went wrong, what we paid for them, and how we fixed them.
Alright guys, after a little bit of research, I figured out what was going on here. The gentleman that bought these originally returned them, and he assembled this back piece on the wrong side of the rotor. So you can tell I can stick my whole finger in right here. It's supposed to be hugged up against that pretty much for the caliper bracket. So I'm going to take it apart real quick. I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get it apart and how he messed up. And hopefully I have better luck than the other one that I took apart, because he used a ton of red Loctite, and it's going to be interesting. So let's hope it goes well. Alright guys, so the last time I ran down to Harbor Freight and I bought a quick Torx bit, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but it literally got one bolt off before it stripped pretty much. So again, red Loctite, a ton of it before you know that it's assembled correctly, probably not the greatest ideas. So, let's see if we can get this one off. One down. Come on, baby. Last one. Woo! We got it. And I don't know if you can tell, it's hard to tell, but you can actually see that they are twisting. It is actually twisting that. All those flukes are supposed to be nice and straight. So we got lucky, we got it. So we have to remove this, flip it around, and then reassemble. So we're doing good. We got it apart. Now it's time to assemble this correctly. I've already done it once. Shouldn't be that hard, but I'm gonna double check and make sure put it together right. Apparently, I don't know who this person was, but they definitely did not look at their instructions, because it took me about a minute or two on just looking up the website, looking up the kit, and I clearly found out what was wrong. So I actually spent about $440 on this kit originally, and let's just say I didn't read all the small print. And it was missing one caliper. It was missing one of the rear bearings. It had damaged two of the rear main seal, or the two of the rear inner seals on the hub. And I placed an order with Willwood, got all the correct parts. They helped me look it up, they're great. After spending another $240, I basically saved about $10, and I saved about $10, and now I've actually twisted out a couple of these bolts from that other Torx head. The time and the extra effort I've had to put into this was not worth it. So, and it was my fault for the most part, but read that small print. get some of that extra dust out of there. It normally won't cause it a problem, but let's not push our luck today. Overall, this is a really nice kit. I'd recommend it, but I'd probably just order the brand new one after all this. And we aren't torquing these down. We're gonna reassemble, powder coat some of this stuff. Alright, so let's go over and see if it fits now. Well, looks like it fits just like the other side. Again, we're not torquing anything down. We gotta reassemble a few more times. Let's see if the caliper fits now. I'm moving. Well, looks like we're in luck. Looks like everything's lining up like it's supposed to. So, try to buy a couple more stainless steel button heads, which I'd probably have to take the rest of that out of the $10 that I saved. We'll have a complete brake system, or front brake system. So, it looks good. We're all done. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Smash a like, smash a subscribe. Thank you.